Scientia potentia est. That's Latin. It means knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. And that's why it's so important to get as much knowledge as you can. This lesson in the study of success comes with textbooks that I am going to recommend that you read. But before I do that, a word from our sponsor. This video is sponsored by Fellow Accounting Solutions, where we offer premium bookkeeping, payroll, and tax preparation services at affordable rates. Let's see how we can service you. Send us an email with your contact information and get a free consultation. I'm going to give you 5 subjects that every small business owner should know. The first subject is accounting. Accounting basics, basically. This book here, Financial Intelligence, a Manager's Guide to Knowing What the Numbers Really Mean. This small book here can give you a good precursor to understanding the basics of accounting. It's about understanding those financial reports, understanding what you're looking at, basically being able to read business. In my video about accountantese, the language of business, why every small business owner should speak the language of business, I talk about some of the reasons and benefits from learning the language of business, which is accounting. Number 2, tax fundamentals. One of my earlier videos I did was about why it's important for small business owners to understand taxes in general. That old saying that there are only 2 things that are certain, death and taxes. This is a pretty big book, but it gives you a lot of information. Basically, it tells you some of the things to look out for, some of the things to remember while you're going about your daily, weekly, and monthly business routines. It's a very important subject to learn because how you understand your taxes is going to impact how much you pay in taxes. The ultimate goal is to pay only what you owe. And by doing so, that can free up cash, which is free up profitability for you and your company. So there's a benefit to that. The third subject that every small business should know is about time management. This book here, The 10 Natural Laws of Successful in Time and Life Management. I read this book back in the 90s, the late 90s. It was such a good book because basically it talks about priorities. And when you set things according to priority, it makes the plan a lot easier to follow. It focuses your time, your energy, and your effort into the things that really matter. So one of the key things for a business owner in order to create efficiencies is to maximize their time. You can't get any more time. You're only allotted so much. So that's the one thing that you don't want to waste. Time management is one of the essential tools for having an efficient operation. And efficiencies almost all the time always lead to profitability or increased profits. Number 4, money management. This little book here, The Richest Man in Babylon, great book, quick read too. Tells you the things that I talked about in another video about like paying yourself first and your money should have a job. It talks about assets. Basically, it is living off of the balance sheet versus the profit and loss. Having good money management skills, not only does it help you in your personal life, but it also helps you in your business life. It helps you take advantage of the things that will maximize your ability to earn a profit. Keeping expenses low relative to income, being able to manage cash flow, very important. Because remember that 5 out of 10 small businesses are going to fail within the first 5 years. 7 out of 10 within 10 years. So that's 50% in 5 years, 70% in 10 years. So having some good money management skills, because money or cash flow issues is like rated up there as one of the top 2 reasons why businesses go under within that time period. So having some good skills is really going to help you along the way. Number 5, Credit management. This book here, Rich Dad Poor Dad, one of my favorite books. Actually, all of these are my favorite books. I love them all. This talks about leveraging. Talks about using your assets in order to get more assets. For example, if I needed $1 million in cash, but I didn't have it, I can come up with 200,000. So what I do is I take that 200,000 and leverage it for the other 800. I get a loan, or at the end of the day, the amount of capital that I'm gonna have is $1 million. So I go to the bank and I say, hey, I need $1 million loan. They say, okay, you need 20% down. I give them my 20%, which is 200,000. They give me the loan for $1 million, and now I can go and increase my capital. You know, the physical capital. I can go and expand my business. And I use leveraging in order to do that. So credit management gives you the ability to be able to do that. Money management puts you in a position to where you're credit worthy. And then once you're credit worthy, you actually get the opportunity to use that credit in order to make more money, more return for you. So those are the 5 subjects that every business owner should know. Accounting basics, tax fundamentals, time management, money management, and credit management. Those are the core foundation for growing everything else. So this is your opportunity to refresh. Grab the books that I mentioned so that we can talk about it the next time. Those are the 5 things, the 5 subjects that I want you to get a good hold of and to master. And I promise you, it is going to benefit you. If you're going to be a business owner, then that means that you're a student, because you are supposed to be in a perpetual state of learning. You need to be learning your business every day, every week, every month. You are to be one with your business, grow with your business. The more you grow as a person, the more your business grows and flourishes. So that's why learning is key. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. Your feedback is important to me. Please leave your comments and questions below. I want to know, what subject will you be studying next if you intend to grow? Until the next time, I'll see you in the good life.